Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system update. After you click on system update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix GPS signal lost on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.